Hepsi kalmaya başladı. Bugün Galatasaray'ın ikinci serisinin ikinci bölümündeyiz. Evet, hadi başlayalım. Bu maçta yapabiliriz. Evet, hemen bakalım. Yoksa hadi başlayalım.
He's been sensational recently. The coach thinks the youngster's ready for his full first team debut. Do need to get tight in the back because Lenny goes in.
Hayır, adamlar bize koyuyor. Koyuyor.
Made the scoreline more respectable, but still disappointing result.
Bak. Ona bak.
There's a great atmosphere here today. This player will have to work hard to beat the drop. Use pinch gestures to zoom in and out. You can move the camera at any stage during the level by swiping left and right in the top half of the screen.
Onu geri alacağım.
Good effort. Great goal.
Awesome.
There's a final whistle. They clinch a valuable result here.
Arkadaşlar uzayın çantası sokmak geliyor. Yani bunu da yapalım, videoyu bitirelim.
This youngster living up to the hype. Can he help them avoid relegation? This throw-in really is in a dangerous position. Will it lead to a goal? Good threat. Can anyone get on to the end of this one? Shoots! Great finish.
Çok iyi böyle.
And the referee calls a halt to...
Bitirmeyeceğiz daha. Daha bir tane daha yapalım. Hayır.
There's a great atmosphere here today. Everyone's hoping the last result can spur them to success. Some lethal finishing puts the opposition in the driver's seat. They're chasing that vital goal. Can they do it? It's with the striker. And he shoots. Oh, it's an equaliser.
Çok iyi bir gol attı.
The referee calls a halt to the game. It's certainly been tight. Today's match is one not to be missed.
Paris'le oynuyor.
Against the Paris leaders, and they're in for a tough time.
Şu an bize duyuyoruz.
They're going to have to do something here. They're behind.
Arkadaşlar videonun bitmesine çok az.
Using the width here. Oh, this is good stuff. Played into the box. Played into the box. Shoots. Oh, nice finish there. What will he decide to do with his corner? They need goals and fast. Nice play. Shoots. Good. Tries the header. Great finish. And they'll be glad to hear the full-time whistle. They made the scoreline more respectable, but still disappointing result.
Bu videoyu da burada bitiriyoruz. Hepiniz